Once upon a time, in a picturesque village by the sea, there lived a young girl named Lily. She had a deep love for animals and dreamed of becoming a veterinarian. One sunny day, while exploring the beach, Lily stumbled upon a wounded seagull with a broken wing. Filled with compassion, Lily carefully picked up the seagull and brought it home. She bandaged its wing and tended to its needs with great care. As days turned into weeks, the seagull, named Silver, began to regain its strength and trust in Lily. During their time together, Lily learned not only about the needs of animals but also the importance of patience and perseverance. She tirelessly studied veterinary medicine, working hard to fulfill her dream. One day, when Silver's wing had fully healed, Lily made the decision to release him back into the wild, where he belonged. As Silver took flight, a sense of accomplishment and joy filled Lily's heart. She knew she had made a difference in Silver's life and was one step closer to her dream. Now let's focus on the grammar and vocabulary aspects of the story. Can you identify any grammar errors or unfamiliar vocabulary words in the story? First, let's talk about some grammar corrections. Sentence number 1. She had a deep love for animals and dreamed of becoming a veterinarian. The correction of this sentence is she had a deep love for animals and dreamt of becoming a veterinarian. We should use the correct past tense of dream. Sentence number 2. One sunny day, while exploring the beach, Lily stumbled upon a wounded seagull with a broken wing. The correction of this sentence is one sunny day, while exploring the beach, Lily stumbled upon a wounded seagull that had a broken wing. We should add relative pronoun that to clarify the connection between the seagull and the broken wing in the sentence. Now that we have talked about grammar corrections, let's talk about vocabulary words. Word number 1. Picturesque. Adjective. Visually attractive, especially in a charming or quaint way. Word number 2. Veterinarian. Noun. A person qualified to treat diseased or injured animals, a veterinary surgeon. Word number 3. Compassion. Noun. A feeling of deep sympathy or sorrow for someone who is experiencing suffering. Word number 4. Bandaged. Verb. Bind a wound or a part of the body with a protective strip of material. Word number 5. Tended. Verb. Regularly or frequently behave in a particular way or have a certain characteristic. Word number 6. Regain. Verb. Obtain possession or use of something, typically a quality or ability, again after losing it. Word number 7. Perseverance. Noun. Steadfastness in doing something despite difficulty or delay in achieving success. Word 8. Accomplishment. Noun. Something that has been successfully achieved or completed.